revolução sonora começa agora.
Tranquilidade que é nóis, hein?
Or we can go to the slums where killers get hung. Shorty, I could take you there. You know I could take ya. I could take ya. Shorty, I could take you there. You know I could take ya. I could take ya. Shorty, I could take you there. Baby girl, I know it's rough, but come with me. We could take a trip to the hood. It's no problem, girl, it's my city. I could take you there. Little kid with guns, only 15, roaming the streets up to no good.
Tá sentindo a qualidade aí, concorrência?
As long as you're with me, baby, you'll be alright. I'm known in the ghetto, girl, just stay by my side. Or we can leave the slums, go to paradise. Baby, it's up to you, it's whatever you like. Go to the tropics, sip pina coladas. Shorty, I could take you there. Or we can go to the slums where killers get hung. Shorty, I could take you there. You know I could take ya. I could take ya. Shorty, I could take you there.
E batendo forte.
Shorty, I could take you there. Shorty, come with me, it's no worries. I know the bottom of them where I stay. Bullets fly past you in a hurry. This is no gunplay. Don't be scared, I know the West Indies is Jamaica, that's where I'm from. I see something that you're not used to. Welcome to the slums. As long as you're with me, baby, you'll be alright. Alone in the ghetto, just stay by my side. Yeah. Let's go to paradise. Baby, it's up to you. It's whatever you like. Sip pina coladas. Shorty, I can take you there. Or we can go to the slums where killers get hung. Shorty, I can take you there. You know I could take ya. I could take ya. Shorty, I could take you there. You know I could take ya. I could take ya. Shorty, I could take you there. Or we can go to a place I know you gon' like. The beach, the West Indies, I call it paradise. We can go to the tropics, sip pina coladas. Shorty, I could take you there. Or we can go to the slums where killers get hung. Shorty,
Pra tirar o sossego da concorrência.
I could take ya. Shorty, I could take you there. You know I could take ya. I could take ya. Shorty, I could take you there.
Chegou a hora do chão tremer. Pra tirar o sossego da concorrência.